Welcome to this lecture on case series and drug use surveys in pharmacoepidemiology. These methods form the backbone of early drug safety detection, real-world evidence, and hypothesis generation. Today, we will break down what these study designs are, how they work, their strengths, limitations, and how they contribute to healthcare research. What is a case series? A case series is an observational, descriptive study in which multiple patients with a similar exposure, treatment, or outcome are described together. It is qualitative and non-experimental, meaning researchers observe events without intervening. Case series are considered stronger than single case reports because they provide multiple, comparable observations. Key characteristics of case series. A case series typically tracks patients who have experienced the same exposure, such as a newly marketed medication. They are widely used to document adverse drug reactions soon after a drug is introduced. When multiple case reports occur sequentially, collectively they form a case series. Importance of case series. Case series are extremely valuable for detecting early warning signs, especially when drugs produce rare or unexpected effects. Although they cannot prove cause and effect, the patterns they reveal can trigger further investigation or formal studies. Example of a classic case series. One of the most famous examples of a case series was the cluster of congenital malformations observed in infants exposed to thalidomide during pregnancy. These patterned observations raised strong suspicion of drug-related harm and eventually revolutionized drug safety regulations worldwide. Advantages of case series. Case series are powerful tools for hypothesis generation. They are especially beneficial when studying rare diseases or rare adverse events because even a small cluster may reveal important patterns. They also offer insight into averages, like typical dose, duration, or outcomes. Limitations of case series. Despite their usefulness, case series cannot determine causal relationships because they lack control groups. They also cannot estimate incidence or prevalence. Their purpose is mainly descriptive and exploratory. What is a survey of drug use? A drug use survey is another descriptive method that examines how medicines are prescribed, dispensed, and consumed. These surveys help monitor trends, assess rational drug use, and support health policy development. Characteristics of drug use surveys. Drug use surveys are simple and cost-effective. They collect general data about drug practices across populations and help identify irrational prescribing, overuse, or underuse of medicines. Applications of drug use surveys. These surveys are widely used to compare medication use across states, socioeconomic groups, age groups, and occupational categories. They help identify disparities or patterns that guide healthcare planning. Indian scenario of drug use surveys. In India, drug use surveys face challenges due to limited digital infrastructure. Many community pharmacies are not computerized, and existing data systems are disconnected. Despite these limitations, the need for drug use surveillance is extremely high given the country's population and medication burden. Opportunities in drug use surveys. Despite the challenges, drug use surveys present an excellent opportunity for pharmacy students and professionals. These surveys can be conducted at community or institutional levels and contribute significantly to rational drug use initiatives. Thank you for watching this lecture. I hope the session has helped you clearly understand the concepts of case series and drug use surveys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pharmacoepidemiology classes. See you in the next video.